In this video, we head off to Wild Camp, as you have probably figured from the title. To get to our location, we drove from Mount Cedar in the Cedarburg, where we filmed the Thor walkthrough the previous day. We took the Kashkov Pass, a road I would only advise 4x4 vehicles to take on, which first took us through Eselbank, which was probably the most remote little town I have ever passed through, and then through the Moravian mission village of Wuppertal. From there we headed to the Biedouw Valley, where we set up camp on a private farm for the night. Hey, Jana from Alu-Cab here, and I'm currently sitting in the Biedouw Valley where we are wild camping. Yesterday we filmed the Thor walk around in the Cedarburg, and Jeremy and Kate went home today, and Simon and I are staying out for the weekend, and we have the privilege of testing out the all-new Thor roof conversion on the 76 Land Cruiser, which so far has been awesome. Although we've just set up, we've managed to arrange a spot on a private farm to wild camp for the night, and maybe tomorrow night we'll see how it goes. But the main goal is to get some more lifestyle content of the 76 build. But for now, we've just made a fire. We've basically just dug a hole. Simon dug a hole and I waded into the river to get all of these rocks, and now we have our fire going. So we're gonna make dinner, chill out for the night, and then start shooting tomorrow again. There's Simon busy getting some photos in his natural habitat.
Hello.
How's the shooting going?
Oh, the light's nice.
The light is nice. The sun is going to set soon. Very nice. I don't know.
People always mock the zippy.
Yeah, I don't know about these pants.
Mense mock altyd die zippy.
They're either completely innovative and nifty, or just very, I don't know. These pants are only a problem if you wear them like to the mall or like to go out. They're only applicable when camping.
Ja,
it's acceptable.
They work great. En you can.
So there are baboons. One of them is quite loud. They're obviously settling in for the night. Oops, over there. And look at the moon. There you can hear them. I don't know if you can, but I'm just hoping they do not come over here, but it should be fine. There's a whole river that they need to cross before. So we just got up and I was busy making some coffee over there, and I heard bells, and well There's a whole lot of goats here, which is pretty cool. Cool way to wake up. This is honestly the best morning. They look so happy. Hello. We just took a walk or a wade down the river to over there where the water kind of like cobbles over some rocks. It's really nice. It's a great day, kind of warm, but the clouds are coming over every now and then. But yeah, we've decided we're going to make breakfast now and we are going to make it in the water. So we're going to carry our table there and fry up some things for breakfast. Also, we were just saying, some birds are freaking out because Simon is close to their little nests there. But we were just saying the ultimate would be if we brought like tubes or inflatables, so then you can like get in there and float all the way down to base camp. But now we know for next time. We might have over-catered a bit. So I'm inside of the 76 right now. I am busy pouring Simon and I a drink, and I thought it's a good time to mention that we are not only just camping with it this weekend, but we're also trying it out and getting used to it, because in December we're going on a trip to Namibia with it, which we are super excited about. But yeah, now is a good time just to figure out the space that we have available here. What works, what doesn't, what would we like to include, what do we need to leave out. And yeah, we're really getting the hang of it. We've already made a few notes. So obviously before the trip I'll let you know exactly what we've packed, where we've packed it, and how it's been working out. We are on our way to the farmer's house because we need some fire starters.
Absolutely amazing.
It's not that far of a walk, so yes, we were wild camping, but they were not too far away, so let's hope they have some fire starters, and then we're gonna make dinner and enjoy the rest of the night. So there's the farmer's house, and then there's the road that passes through here. And we were kind of worried that people would be able to see us from the road, but I don't think that's an issue, because there we are. And here's the road. Hello. So we got the fire starters, and yes, maybe we were too lazy to make kindling that evening, but the fire starters were a great help, and we continued to make a fire, have a braai, eat our dinner, and then went to sleep early. The sun really took a toll out of us that day. The next morning was another absolutely beautiful morning in the Biedouw Valley. But unfortunately, we had to pack up because we still had about a 3-hour drive back to the city of Cape Town. At least the Thor conversion made packing up a breeze, and we enjoyed putting it to the test on the last bit of gravel road driving for the weekend. And that's that for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below. The next time you see me with the Thor conversion will probably be just before I head into Namibia, which is sure to be an experience. I look forward to taking you along for the journey.